Hello, my name is Jansi and I'm a cat. A special cat, may humans say, because I was little lost when I was baby. I was walking on the streets in very hot sun. I can't remember how I got there, but I remember I was very sad and very scared. I kept walking until I saw two nice humans who called for me, and I ran into their paws. I cuddled and cry on my humami shoulder. They went looking for my mommy, but she was nowhere, so they took me in their house. I was a little bit scared, but also brave, as I knew I wanted this forever family. They gave me eat and drink, and all I did was cuddle and sleep and follow them everywhere. The next day, Mommy took me to the humans with white coats, and they say I was only 5 weeks old, but no sick and very strong. Mommy and you daddy were happy, and that was how my life began. I did not tell you about all my family. I introduce you my grumpy auntie Andy. She has very long hair, and I sometimes think she is a bull, so I jump, and then she not happy, and she hiss. I laugh and jump again. She runs. Humans say, don't do Jansi, be friends. But I like grumpy Auntie Indy. One day, maybe she jump on me too, and then we laugh together. Then I have a cat who looks like Mom, but she's not. She is very little and wise. She sometimes plays, but only for a second. Then she sounds and runs away. She's shy. Sometimes I go sleep on a spot. Very naughty. Oh yes, I love bugs. Bugs everywhere. I play and I imagine I'm in spaceship. I also have cousin who look like me, but is big, and he don't play. He just sits and look. I try to make him imagine spaceship too, but he don't understand. He imagines scary world and run and hide. He is sweet, but bit weird. Maybe he's a serious cause he wear tuxedo. I also have one more cousin. He is favorite. He loves play and fly spaceships in box too. His name is Sigurd the Dangerous. If you look his ear, you see ear is broken. He made fight because he did patrol and there was cat who went too far from house. He say he is boss of our country and protect me always. Oh yes, I love bugs. Bugs everywhere. I play and I imagine car. Sometimes my daddy also imagine car, and we drive fast, fast, fast. Everybody laugh. I love car, and I love box, and I love you, daddy. My mommy is funny. She has drink from face, not from belly like my cat mommy. I don't say, you mommy, you funny. I just drink and imagine cat mommy belly. I don't like little door and big door. I don't understand what I do. And then I cry and cry until human come open big door. My family do not understand, but I just like big door better. Oh yes, I love box. Box, box everywhere. I play and imagine lion. I fight with lion until he run, run, run. I always win because I am Yancy the Strong. I love din din time anytime. First I think all food is mine, but then humans say, no Yancy, you need to share. And I let eat. Even grumpy auntie Indy share, and no hiss, hiss, hiss. I did walkies with my humans when I was little, so I could see the world. I like, but now I don't need human. Now I'm a big boy. I have green carpet and squirrely friends in the outside. I love outside, but more love cuddle with my forever family. When my humans say, Yancy, Yancy, I run, 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 and they lift me in air and say, welcome home, I love you, Yancy. I love you too.